guys, today we're making some carrot and orange muffins that are so soft and moist, just like I like them. They're also vegan friendly. In Italy we call them camille. So without any further ado, let's begin making camille. I start by blending the almonds to make almond flour. This is how fine I like to make it, but if you prefer, you can leave in even bigger chunks. I set the almond flour aside, and in the same mixer, I blend the carrots. And now I add in the vegetable oil, in my case, sunflower oil. Peel the zest of an orange, preferably organic, and try to avoid the inner white part of it that can leave a more bitter aftertaste. The orange zest will give this muffin an amazing citrus flavor that brings them to the next level. Now let's get the juice of the orange too. The goal is that once you take a bite of this muffin, you taste right away the wonderful orange flavor. Pour the golden juice in the mixer, and if you just need a couple more drops of juice, instead of opening up another whole orange for such a small amount, just use some water, it will be fine. I put in the zest and I blend everything. Here we go. In the bowl with the almond flour, I add in the sugar and also a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, not too much because I don't want it to be too overpowering. Because I want the protagonist of this muffin to be the carrot and the orange. Give it a mix and then drop in the wet ingredients. Lastly, we add the flour with the baking powder using a sifter. I use these muffin liners, but if you don't have them, just simply oil the tins and put the butter in. It will work great anyways. I put about 2 tablespoons of butter per muffin. Alright, they are ready to be baked at 350 Fahrenheit. Obviously preheat the oven first for just about 25 minutes. Now do the toothpick test to see when they're ready. If the toothpick comes out quite dry, then you can take them out of the oven. It is super important for this type of muffins to cool them down before eating them, otherwise they will be too moist. I usually have no patience to wait for baked goods to cool down, but for this type of muffin, it really makes a big difference because we want the moisture to evaporate with the heat. And then you can enjoy these awesome carrot orange muffins. So what do you think of this camille? Did you like the recipe? If you did, please leave it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for new weekly recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.